Hello everyone and welcome to the devlog for build number 8 of Zen Forest Brick Breaker. Although this week we are in the editor once again. If you didn't read my comment in the previous video, the videos have caught up with development, which means I might not be able to release a video every week. It might be more like every 2 weeks. As for this video, I don't really have a lot to show off, but I have been busy these past 2 weeks. First, the proc-gen system should be complete. The levels are looking really good, but I've already made 2 videos on the proc-gen, so I'm not going to do that this video. The generation of the level concepts is complete, the prefabs are all fleshed out, the validation is working as far as I can tell. The color randomization is working pretty well. Everything looks pretty good for proc-gen. The second thing I've been working on is a bunch of secrets, including one really big feature that's mostly done. It still needs a little bit of polishing. And I've also added a few Easter eggs here and there. I can't really show any of that off though. But the one thing I can show off is the intro screen I'm working on. So you know the intro screen comes up, says press trigger to start, something like that. Obviously this is VR, so we can't have a boring little splash screen. We have to have something at least a little bit interesting. So this is what I've been working on. We got a little arcade machine, Zen Forest Brick Breaker on the top. There's going to be a larger logo that says Zen Forest Brick Breaker, press trigger to start, something like that. And in front of the player there will be this arcade machine, which I'm imagining it would be rotating slowly, like this, so that you can see all the graphics that I made. Really nice. And then when you press the trigger, it will center on the player. And the screen is going to look like a 2D game to start off, but it's actually a 3D scene that has been squashed down on the Z-axis. So first we're going to get rid of the screen just to make it a little easier to see. And then the game field is squished on the Z-axis. So as you zoom into the arcade machine, it's going to expand back out to the full 3D. And the player is going to zoom in on the playing field as if they're entering the game. And it's going to rotate about. And the lighting is going to be better once this is done, but it's going to look something like that. And then it's going to fade out and go into the main menu. Nothing like super incredible, but it is VR, so we have to do something a little bit immersive and interesting, so that's what I'm imagining. I haven't done any of the scripting yet, so there's no animations to speak of right now, but that's the concept I'm thinking of right now. So yeah. I also have to work on this screen shader, because right now it like gets really dark once the scene moves back. So I have to do something about that, but not a bad start. I got this really nice arcade machine with custom graphics. I got a really detailed coin slot graphic that I made. Little pile of tokens. I got this trackball. I think the original breakout machines had dial controls, not trackballs, but the trackball looks cool, so I figured I'd go with that. Launch ball button. Not too shabby. Oops, that's the game field. So yeah. Not a lot to show off this week, but a lot has been done behind the scenes. And once the intro is done, I'll be able to start making a trailer and opening the store page. And after that, the only actual work on the game will be polishing and bug fixing. But once the store page is up, I'm going to be focusing on making the assets for the store page. There's a lot of graphics and whatnot you have to make. Plus, a lot of people will buy cheap games just for the achievements and trading cards, so I'm planning to add both of those to the game. I don't know how it works right now, but I'll be looking into that, and we can do some devlogs on that too. And that's all I have for this week. Hope you all enjoyed the devlog. Thank you for watching. Please tune in again next time.